Changing your username on Lyft is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information easily. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Account Settings. In the profile menu, look for the Account or Settings option. Tap on it to enter the Account Management section where you can make changes to your account details. Step 4. Edit Username. Find the option to edit your username. This may be labeled as username or display name. Tap on it and enter your desired new username. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button. Tap it to confirm your changes and ensure your new username is saved to your account. Once you have completed these steps, your username on Lyft will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.